Hey, Jerry Hawk 250 here. Actually, I'm on my vacation right now. Been out all morning riding on my Honda ST1300. Taking a pit stop right now. I'm out at Laurel Valley Plantation. It's been a beautiful day so far. It's been overcast enough to keep the sun from cooking you. My buddy Herbie with Herbie's Garage was supposed to come down over the weekend, but I don't know if y'all seen his video. He had a catastrophic failure on his Yamaha FGR. Kind of ruined his trip for sure. But hopefully he gets it all back together and it's not too much involved getting it fixed. Yeah, beautiful Honda ST1300. How do you like that? Loving this bike. You never know it's a 20-year-old bike. So yep, I'm doing what I like best on my vacation. Out riding just about every day. Talk to you guys later.